Is it your first time at a Comic Con? Or are you a seasoned pro who just need a little refresher? Either way, I got you. After making countless con day struggles for myself, I don't want you to make the same mistakes your boy did. Now I'm gonna give you a couple tips and tricks, but my last tip may be the most important one. All right, I'm ready because we headed to a con right now, baby. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so first pro tip, wear comfortable shoes or get some insoles for your cosplay shoes because you're about to do a bunch of walking. Now, when I wore the cosplay wrestling boots for the New York con, by the end of the day, my feet were hella sore. And if you plan on wearing some heels for your cosplay, maybe pack a pair of comfy shoes just in case. Now, I'll leave a link down below to the insoles that I use. But we are here at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center for AwesomeCon, DC's #1 con. Now, it's Saturday, notoriously the busiest day for any con. So that brings me to my next tip, which is plan ahead. There's always so much to see and do at any con, so you gotta plan ahead to map out your day. Because panels start at a certain time, autographs and workshops at others. Most bigger cons have an app with all the info for the day, including maps, start times, food locations, blah blah blah. Plus, give yourself a little extra time for long lines because it will be plenty. Speaking of long lines, this is the registration line to pick up our badges, but it actually went pretty quick. Side note, make sure you grab your badge if you got it mailed to you or have your ticket confirmation on your phone. All right, y'all, what y'all think of the fit? I'm Cyclops. See that?
To me, my X-Men.
Now, most cons also have paper maps too, but speaking of paper, here's my next tip. Get cash. Yeah, I know digital currency is super convenient and most vendors take card, but some may only accept cash, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Nothing's worse than finding something cool and then the vendor only takes cash, then you gotta find the ATM, pay a fee.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Next up, bring a charger and a power bank. Speaking of stuff we don't have time for, last thing we need is for our phones to die. Then we gotta scramble to find a fuel rod or buy a high price charger on site. If we bring our own charger, all we need is a free plug and we're golden. But if you can't find a plug, a power bank comes in clutch and you can charge it while you're walking. I'll leave a link to this one down below. Next tip, be prepared for really high priced food and beverage. I like to equate con food prices to amusement park food prices, extremely high. Now, I get it, a lot of food vendors are small businesses and they have prices that reflect all they have to put into it. So just as an FYI, if you're planning to eat on site, put a couple dollars to the side for it. Next tip, pack you some travel size hygiene products. Listen, we don't want to be around folks stinking up the place. Plus all the walking and being in close quarters with people, it's better to be safe. Having a little travel hand sanitizer comes in clutch too, because you're going to be touching a lot of stuff. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Okay, next tip, grab you a collapsible stool or chair because seating will be scarce. But if that's not in the budget, you can do what these folks are doing. Just find a temporary spot on the floor and just chill out right there. Tip 8, bring a bag or purchase a tote bag to make it easier to carry your purchases. Tip 9, catch ride shares away from the convention building. It helps the Uber or Lyft easily find you if you're away from the building because it can get a little hectic outside. And just like any other popular event, be prepared for surge pricing. And here is my final and most important tip. Be respectful to everyone. Hey, we're all here to have fun and enjoy our fandom, so just be respectful and nice. Trust me, it goes a long way. Now, if you like this video, please consider hitting that like and that share button. Follow Craftletics on our socials, y'all. Head over to Rules and Rogues. We got stuff over there. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.